Hello all, welcome to my video. Today I am going to discuss the most toughest branch in mathematics. No, I can say it is the easiest branch if we understand it. That is trigonometry. We can discuss the basic of trigonometry. Okay? We can learn trigonometric functions, trigonometric angles, identities, etc. Okay, let's start. Trigonometry. Trigonometry is one of the most important branch in mathematics. But I know everyone think that trigonometry is the toughest branch. But actually it deals with angles or side of right triangle. Therefore, we can define trigonometry as the study of relationship between the sides and angles of the right angle triangle. Trigonometry is the word meaning triangle measurement. Okay, we can measure one triangle. Consider a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. This is hypotenuse. Let's consider this angle as theta. Then this is opposite side. And this is adjacent side. Next, we have to study trigonometric function. The trigonometric ratios of triangle are also called trigonometric function. There are 6 different trigonometric function, that is sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. This is the 6 functions of trigonometry. We can define one by one. Okay, first we can define sine function. We can write sine function as sin. Then from figure, sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is, we can write sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Then cosine function, that is cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then next tangent function, that is tan theta equal to, we can write sin theta by cos theta, or we can write opposite side by adjacent side. From figure we will get sin theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. The remaining function is defined from these 3 functions. Okay, that is cosecant theta, that is cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, which can be written as hypotenuse by opposite side. That is cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Then secant theta, which is written as sec theta, which can be equal to 1 by cos theta, which can be written as hypotenuse by adjacent side. Next, cotangent theta, that is written as cot theta, which is equal to 1 by tan theta, which is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. This is the 6 different function of trigonometry. Now consider a right triangle ABC. Here we write this angle as theta, then its opposite side is measured as 3 centimeter, then adjacent side is measured as 4 centimeter. Then we can find hypotenuse by AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, or AC equal to root of AB square plus BC square, which is equal to root of AB is 3, then 3 square plus BC is 4 square, which can be written as root 9 plus 16, which is equal to root 25. That is AC equal to 5. We get hypotenuse equal to 5 centimeter. Then we can define each function from this triangle. Okay? We can define one by one. Then sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Then sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is equal to 4 by 5. Then tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side, which is equal to 3 by 4. Then we can write cosec theta as 1 by sin theta, that is 5 by 3, or we can write cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, that is 5 by 3. Then sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, or hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is 5 by 4. Then cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, or equal to adjacent side by opposite side, then 4 by 3. That is, we can write the function between relation between each function as sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Next we have two types of trigonometric function, odd trigonometric function and even trigonometric function. Then odd trigonometric function means if f of minus x equal to minus f of x and symmetric with respect to the origin, then this function is said to be odd trigonometric function. Then if f of minus x equal to f of x, then this function is said to be even trigonometric function. And this function is symmetric to the y-axis, and this function is symmetric with respect to the origin. Therefore, we can write sin minus x equal to minus sin x. Cos minus x equal to cos x. Tan minus x equal to minus tan x. Cosec minus x equal to minus cosec x. Sec minus x equal to sec x. Cot minus x equal to minus cot x. Therefore, cos and sec are the even trigonometric function, where sin, tan, cosec and cot are the odd trigonometric function. Okay, we can say cos, this is even, and sec is even. Other all functions are odd trigonometric function. Next topic, trigonometry angles. Trigonometry angles which are commonly used in trigonometric problems are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The trigonometric ratios such as sine, cosine and tangent of these angles are easy to memorize. We will show the table where all ratios and respective angles values are mentioned. We can write the table below. Okay, we can write values of each angles for each functions. That is, sine 0 is 0. We have to study this by heart. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is 1. Similarly, we can write cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. Then tan 0 is 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3 and tan 90 is infinity. Then cosec 0 is infinity, cosec 30 is 2, cosec 45 is root 2, cosec 60 is 2 by root 3 and cosec 90 is 1. Then sec 0 is 1, sec 30 is 2 by root 3, sec 45 is root 2, sec 60 is 2 and sec 90 is infinity. Then cot 0 is infinity, cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 by root 3 and cot 90 is 0. Okay, we have to study this value by heart for using in problems. Next, we have to discuss List of trigonometric formulas. The trigonometric formula or identities are the equation which are true in the case of right angle triangle. Some of the special trigonometric identities are given below. First one, Pythagorean identity. We have Pythagorean identities. We can discuss or read one by one. We have to by heart these identities. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosec square theta. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Cot 2 theta equal to cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. Okay. If we by heart these identities, we can easily solve the problems related to the trigonometry. Second formula is sum and different identities. There we have 6 different identities. First one, sin u plus v. That is, we take angle as u and v. Then sin u plus v equal to sin u cos v plus cos u sin v. Second, cos u plus v equal to cos u cos v minus sin u sin v. Next, tan u plus v equal to tan u plus tan v by 1 minus tan u tan v. Then sin u minus v. This is for sum. Next 1 is for difference. Then sin u minus v equal to sin u cos v minus cos u sin v. Next, cos u minus v equal to cos u cos v plus sin u sin v. Next, tan u minus v equal to tan u minus tan v by 1 plus tan u tan v. This is the sum and difference identities. Third formula is, if capital A, B, C are angles and small letter A, B, C are sides of a triangle, then we have two laws, sine laws and cosine laws. Sine laws is A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C. That is, A is side, one side by sine of angle A, another side by sine of angle B, another side by sine of angle C, all are equal. Then cosine law is C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. And B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. These are the sine and cosine laws. Next, we have most important trigonometric identities. That is, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosec square theta. This is the identity related to 6 functions. That is, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosec square theta.